Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. I'm going to try and get this one in before the hurricane hits. If you are from Florida, then you know that we're about to be hit with our second hurricane of the season, and this one's going to be a really big one. The last hurricane, Helene, kind of went up the coast, the Gulf Coast, and ruined pretty much half of the Gulf Coast, pushing sand all the way into the cities. And now we've got Hurricane Milton barreling toward the state. We're expected to get that by tomorrow, and it looks like it's going to be pretty big. And we're expecting widespread power outages and possible flooding. So I'm gonna do this video today, but I'm not really sure when I'll be able to do the next video because I'm not really sure what this hurricane is gonna bring, and I might have to be out helping people and doing things around the area. So I am gonna get this video out today for you guys, and I will update you when the hurricane is over. I just hope everybody else out there is going to be safe. If you are from Florida, make sure you get your final preparations done. I will be finishing up my final preparations as soon as I finish up this video, and just hoping for the best here in Florida. So anyhow, without further ado, I just wanted to get into this watch review video, and before I get started, like I always do, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best. I could not appreciate you more, and thank you so much for everything you do to help this channel grow. All of your liking, subscribing, comments, and general interaction with the channel really does help out. And if men's fashion is what brought you here to this channel, please make sure you check out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube as well. That's my other channel where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate thumbs up on both channels. And if you'd like to subscribe on both channels, that's even better. But definitely be ringing those bells for the notifications, so that way you're notified of any new watch videos or shoe videos that come out. Especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get in and open up this package that I got from Amazon today. I think I know which watch it is, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's get into it and check it out and see if it's the one I think it is. Yes, it's the one I think it is. It's a Stuhrling Aviator watch. Really, really nice watch. I did do a review on a Stuhrling watch not too long ago, and I was pretty impressed with it. But I did decide to buy one of these Aviator style watches. It's really, really nice. Online it looked really, really nice, so let's take a look and see what it actually looks like in person. Let's see what's inside. Okay, it looks like pretty much what I would have expected based on the photographs online. It's got a genuine leather strap. Very, very nice watch here by Stuhrling. It's got that Cessna kind of dashboard look to it. It does have a date tracker. It's the date format watch, and it's got a actual day tracker on it, where it actually you can see the red dot moving for the day. So that's kind of a really cool option for a watch to have that I haven't seen yet. This thing is supposed to have really, really good lume on it, and I mean, those hands are already pretty visible even without the lume. So let's just take a look at the lume and see. I know the listing said that this thing had really, really good lume. So let's take a good look at that. All right, yeah, I mean, it does have really, really good lume on it. So it's a nice illuminated watch, and it's very, very nice even in the daytime without the illumination. So this is a watch that's pretty visible. Definitely a nice looking watch, especially if you're looking for something that's pilot oriented or plane related. Stuhrling comes out with a really great watch. This is a lot of value for the money. When I tell you how much this watch is, you're going to be surprised. You do get a sapphire crystal with this watch, and it does have a Japanese quartz movement and 100 meters of water resistance and a ton of spec, guys. And believe it or not, the price on this thing is under $80 right now on Amazon. So if you do want to pick one of these guys up, I would definitely head on over to Amazon using that affiliate link right now and pick this up before the price does change on it. Very, very nice watch. for the price. Like I said, guys, under $80 you can have this watch in your collection. I would definitely recommend that. You do get a lot of spec for the money. This is a Cristerna sapphire crystal by Stuhrling. Very, very good quality for great scratch resistance on this thing. And it also does boast 100 meters of water resistance, which is really, really nice. So you don't have to worry about it getting wet or anything like that. It has a Japanese quartz movement. And this thing is available in a lot of different styles and colors. You can get a lot of different aviation styles. I will be posting a link to this in the description below, so you can head on over and check it out. I'm not sponsored by Stuhrling at all, but that is an affiliate link with Amazon. So if you do click on it, I do receive a small commission. It doesn't cost you anything more to use that link, but it does send a small commission over me for the referral, and that is very much appreciated. So if you do like this watch, definitely click on that affiliate link and head on over to Amazon. You can check out all the different styles that they have of this watch. They have many different designs and styles and different dials, and it's just a really, really nice watch, especially, like I said, for aviation. Really nice. You can dress it up. You can wear it with a t-shirt. It's just a great looking watch. Like I said before, 100 meters of water resistance, Japanese quartz movement. It's got the Cristerna sapphire crystal, which is very, very good for scratch resistance. And the genuine leather band, really, really nice genuine leather band. I mean, it's got the rivets on the top, which really dress it up a bit. Really, really nice stainless steel clasp with the logo stamped in on the buckle itself. Just a really, really nice watch all around. It feels good in the hand. Let's put this thing on and just see what it kind of feels like on my wrist. Really, really nice. I mean, it fits the wrist very, very well. I like it. It's a thin watch. It's not too heavy. It does have that stainless steel case. It's just a really, really nice watch. I'm really impressed with this Stuhrling brand. I really like it. But this is the Stuhrling Aviator. Like I said, amazing illumination capability on it. Even in the daytime, they've really made those numbers and those indices pop out. It's just a really nice watch all around. Once again, genuine leather band, sapphire, Cristerna sapphire crystal, 100 meters water resistance, and the Japanese quartz movement, and it's available in many different styles and colors. So definitely check it out if you're looking for a watch like this. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you to my channel, be sure to check out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I also don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear. So once again, guys, if anybody is in Florida and you're in the path of this hurricane, and you're on the Gulf Coast, please make sure you listen to all those evacuation notices, and just, guys, get the hell out of there if you can, because this is going to hit the state of Florida really, really hard, and we're expecting, like I said, catastrophic flooding on the Gulf Coast, and also widespread power outages throughout central Florida, and even parts of South and North Florida. So guys, this is going to be a big one, according to all of the news. So everybody get out, stay safe, make sure you do all your hurricane preparations, prepare to be without food and maybe even water for a couple of days, and electricity, because when the electricity shuts down, it's hard to even get gasoline for your generator. So make sure you guys are stocking up. And I know we sent a lot of, the state of Florida sent a lot of supplies up to South Carolina because of the devastation going up there. But guys, try and find something that you can, store gasoline in for those generators. And I know I had a hard time even finding any gas cans available. But guys, do what you can to try and stay safe, help your neighbors out. And like I said before, I'm not sure when I'll be able to come out with the next watch review video, because I might be out helping my neighbors and stuff like that. So I hope everybody stays safe in the preparation for this hurricane and throughout. And I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're on the other side, then I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video. And like I said before, everybody stay safe. I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. You guys all have a good day.